This video might just save your life one day. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just fascinating, but can also be life-saving. We're talking about the essentials you need in your natural emergency kit. Whether you're at home or on the go, these natural remedies can make a world of difference in a pinch. Let's get started. First up is cayenne pepper. This little spice is a powerhouse. Not only can it stop bleeding almost instantly when applied to a wound, but it's also known for its heart-saving properties. In case of a heart attack, mix a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a glass of warm water and have the person drink it. It helps stimulate circulation and can provide critical support. Next, we have activated charcoal. This is your go-to for poisoning or detoxification. If someone ingests a toxin, mixing activated charcoal with water can bind to the poison and help remove it from the body. It's also great for digestive issues like bloating or gas. Always have this on hand, it can be a true lifesaver. A lavender essential oil is another must-have. It's perfect for treating burns, cuts, and even headaches. Apply a few drops to a burn or cut to soothe and promote healing. For stress or headaches, simply inhale the calming aroma or apply it to your temples. Its versatility makes it an emergency kit essential. Tea tree oil is known for its antiseptic properties. It's excellent for cuts, wounds, acne, and even fungal infections. Remember to dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin to prevent irritation. Another great addition to your kit is ginger. Ginger is fantastic for nausea, motion sickness, and digestive issues. Chew on a fresh slice of ginger, drink ginger tea, or take ginger capsules to alleviate these symptoms. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, making it great for overall health. Arnica Cream is your best friend for bruises, muscle pain, and sprains. Apply it directly to the affected area to reduce pain and inflammation. It's especially useful for athletes or anyone prone to minor injuries. Echinacea is a powerful immune booster. Whether you're fighting a cold or trying to prevent one, taking echinacea as a tincture, tea, or capsules can help bolster your immune system and ward off infections. Peppermint Essential Oil is incredibly versatile. For headaches, apply it to your temples. For muscle pain, dilute and massage it into the sore area. And for digestive issues, simply inhale the fresh, minty aroma. It's a true multitasker in your emergency kit. Aloe Vera Gel is essential for treating burns, cuts, and skin irritations. It's soothing and promotes healing. Apply the gel directly to the affected area for almost instant relief. Epsom Salt is perfect for muscle pain and stress relief. Add it to a warm bath and soak to relieve muscle tension and detoxify your body. It's also great for drawing out splinters. Hydrogen peroxide 3% is a staple for cleaning and disinfecting wounds. It helps prevent infection by killing bacteria and is an essential part of any emergency kit. Just apply it to cuts and scrapes to keep them clean. Last but definitely not least is DMSO. This solvent has remarkable anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It can penetrate the skin and deliver other medicines deeper into tissues. It's used for everything from sprains to arthritis. Make sure to handle it with care and only use it on clean skin since it can carry contaminants deep into your tissue as well. Ideally, try to avoid using DMSO in plastic bottles because it even dissolves plastic particles. So there you have it, the essentials for your natural emergency kit. Each of these remedies is a small powerhouse that can make a huge difference in emergencies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and stories. Stay healthy and be prepared. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos for more natural health tips, and stay tuned for our next exciting topic. See you next time.